Website paying $100 per hour for reading Amazon KDP books. Do you want to earn $100 per hour just by reading a book? This website pays people $50 to $100 per hour for simply reading Amazon KDP books. So in this video, we'll break down each of the steps on how you can make money online simply by reading Amazon KDP books, and then you can start right away. Make sure you don't skip any part of the video, or you may not understand the entire process if you do. Now let's get to the exciting part of the video. What is ACX? The name of this website is called ACX. ACX is like a marketplace full of writers and publishers. They interact with each other and find narrators and voiceover artists to make an audiobook. The hassle of going to studios and negotiating with producers is eliminated with this platform. Authors can turn their books into audiobooks, and you can be the voiceover artist to solve their problem. Now, this was only an introduction to the website, but the question is, how can you start your work and get paid? Here we go! How can you earn? We already know that authors use this website to create audiobooks, and your part is to be the voice for the audiobooks. Yes, reading the book and recording your audio is all that you need to do. To become a voice actor or a narrator, all you have to do is choose a book that fits your tone. Then, after that, you simply just need to record and send them to the author. What? You don't know how to do a voiceover? Don't worry about it at all, because ACX also teaches you on how to become a great voice actor. The website trains and teaches you through ACX University. You can find the link for that on the website. You'll have to audition for the titles that interest you. You will not only create a rough draft, but you will need to submit it and then produce a fully refined version. This is only to confirm that your tone fits the author's preferences. You can now do this as a pro or a beginner, and they will guide you on how to do it through various videos and the ACX University. Not only will you acquire the skills, this program also includes affiliate marketing, allowing you to earn money while you refer this to your friends. Now that you have learned about the basic stuff, let's get into some details and find out what are the steps to becoming a narrator. For your ease of understanding, the complete procedure is divided into 10 short steps. Step 1. Create a profile on the website. The first and foremost thing that you need to do is sign up and create a profile on the platform. Use a professional-looking profile picture and fill out all the required forms and details. Step 2. Upload samples for the portfolio. In your profile, you may mark a huge number of samples depending on accents, genre, and style. The more audio samples you provide, the simpler it will be for authors to notice you. Step 3. Select payment method. Decide whether you wish to get paid per completed hour or as a portion of royalties. Everything is dependent on the deal you establish with the author. Step 4. Go for an audition. Look for books you'd want to narrate and produce, then record a few minutes of the script. If you are the right holder's first choice, you will be contacted with an offer. Step 5. Accepting the offer. After you receive an offer from a rights holder, settle on delivery time and payment conditions for the first 15 minutes of audio and the entire audiobook. Step 6. Get to work. Start recording the audiobook, then edit and upload a 15-minute checkpoint that the rights holder will approve or reject. After the sample has been approved, begin recording the rest of the project. Step 7. Collaborate with other professionals. You may need the assistance of other audiobook pros to make a quality audiobook. The website offers independent contractor agreements that you can utilize if you need to recruit one of these experts out there. Step 8. Complete the recording. Start uploading each finished chapter of the audiobook to fulfill the website's audio submission requirements and production standard terms. The rights holder must review the entire audiobook before payment and has the right to request adjustments. Step 9. Time to get paid. The rights holder will pay you directly if you and the rights holder has agreed on a pay-for-production pricing. On the other hand, you will be paid 50% of royalties on sales if you produce the audiobook as a royalty share contract. Step 10. Gain experience and apply for higher rates. Don't stop the grind here. Instead, start working on other projects, because if you have at least 25 audiobook credits and are a highly skilled narrator, you can seek to become an Audible approved producer, which will result in increased income. So these are the steps for how you can work on ACX to earn your money. Now, you may ask how to find the perfect book for doing voiceovers for. Well, there are some critical points that you need to consider while searching for the book. Let's talk about how you can find the book. Start looking for authors who are looking for you. You want to filter the search such that the gender that the author is looking for matches yours. If you are young, select the age to search exclusively for writers looking for young performers, which you can do simply by clicking the profile filter and changing it. Now, filtering out to this extent will still leave too many books to choose from. Click on the book that intrigues your interest and go into the details. If the accent, age, and gender of the required narrator match yours, then that job is made for you. But you will still have to send an audition sample to the author. Now, it all depends on the author whether to select you for the job. Long versus short books. You may think that recording big novels that take 6 to 7 hours to read will make you more money than recording little books that take 2 hours. You're right! However, it is completely up to your preference. For example, you may read 3 books in 6 hours and earn more than a single book that takes 6 to 7 hours to read. Not only will this allow you time to rest, but it will also provide you with a different topic for a change of pace. Of course, you do not have to submit the complete book all at once. You can send in audios chapter by chapter. Royalty versus fixed price. So we've covered the technique for selecting the right book, how to filter the book, and the advantages of long and short novels. Let's go on to the payment method. Which payment method is preferable? It all depends on the type of book you choose. If you are contracted for a book that isn't quite popular yet and is new to the market, you should primarily go with the fixed price per hour, since there is a chance it won't sell out very well. So choosing royalty share at this stage won't make you a lot of money. On the other hand, if you get a contract for an already popular book that has made quite the sales, then it is most wise to go for the royalty share option rather than a fixed price. An already popular book has a bigger chance of selling well in audiobook format in the market. So imagine if the author is selling the audiobook at a price of $50 and the book sales hit more than $20,000, the total earning that book can make is a crazy $1 million. If you agree on a royalty share of 40%, you would be making $400,000 just from one book. Isn't that amazing? So these are the major factors and tips to remember if you want to work on ACX and make money just by utilizing your voice and skill. So, create your account on ACX, upload samples and details on your portfolio, find the project of your voice, audition for books, and start working and earning money online. With time and experience, your portfolio will grow and you'll start earning at higher rates. Happy making money online, and we'll meet again in the next video.